Hello, today I will show you what is Discord app and how to use it. So before using the app, first you will need to make an account on it. So just type Discord and go to this one. Then either you can use it on the web or you can download the app. The app has more features, so I would recommend the app. And to make the account, you have to click on login and then click here register. So you will have to register and make an account and download the app. So once you download the app, you will have this kind of icon. So once you open it, so this is the Discord. So when you are new on Discord, you won't see these circular things. These are called servers. Okay, people make these servers, and every server has these different channels. Okay, every channel is made for different stuffs. uh, Almost all server have a general, which is for the general conversation, like all the people of the server talks there, and the amount of the people in server and their names etc come in this right corner of the screen. So and they are arranged rank wise. For example, the owner of this server is this person and mod is this. Mods mean they are moderators, they have power to kick someone from the server or mute someone etc. And then different server has different roles. These are called roles: owner, mods etc. And so let's start from the beginning. This icon you will have, this is the Discord icon, and here you will see all the conversation, personal message you do with your friends. Initially you won't have any friends, and to add a friend you have to click here add friend, and then you will need their username and the 4-digit code. For example, my username and 4-digit code will be WAR hashtag 3374, and make sure you write the exact same. For example, if I write small w, then it won't work. Okay, so you will need a friend's code and then send them request. Then you will be able to personal one-on-one text with them, so that all that conversations will come here. And in case you want to join a server, you have two options. Either you click on this explore public servers. Here are the categories for gaming server, music servers etc. So these are like really popular server with so many people. So so you can either go for this, or in case you want some other kind of servers, you have to go to Google and type Disboard. Disboard is official Discord server site where the servers are listed. So in case you want a server where you just want a social text with people or gaming, so you just want just write social server and it or friendly and go. So it will give the servers which have social and friendly in their tags. Okay, and then you can join the server. Okay, so yep, once you join the server you will get the server icon here. Okay, so servers will be different, depends on how they are made. uh, okay, so next thing is every server has the voice channels. Voice channels are denoted with this kind of symbol. Okay, so what you have to do, if you want to use them, you just click on them and you will be connected there. Now everybody in the server can see that yes, you are connected here, and this denotes that your mic is closed. Like if someone else comes here, they won't hear you talking. Okay, if you want to talk to them, and first you need to unmute yourself. To unmute you have to click this. Okay, so now I am unmuted and they will be able to hear me if someone else joins. Let's keep this muted, and in case someone else is here and he is talking and you don't want to listen to them, so you can click this one, deafen. So now they can't hear you, plus you can't hear them. Okay, and you can remove them. So yep, these are the use of these buttons. And in case you want to do the setting etc, then you can go to settings, and everything will be shown here. Okay, so one special feature of Discord is you can listen to songs here. So every server has different bots. Bots are okay, like this, present in a server that have different functions. So there are also music bots, and every bot has a different prefix. Prefix means a word that you put uh, like a command, so they respond to that command. For example, if you want to listen music, so the bot in this server is probot, and the command is this one, slash play. So if I write slash play, and then you need to write the song. For example, if I write Bumblebee, so it will find, okay, listen to music, it cannot find. Okay, so I have to go in different channel. So this is programmed in a way that it cannot find this channel and it will work in a particular channel. So you have to do in a way. So let's try a different bot. So there is another music bot whose prefix is p slash play. So and then song name and everything. So see, this bot is connected. So this bot is connected to my channel now, and it will play song for me, the one I typed. Okay, so now if you right click on this bot, you can manage its volume. So that's how bot work. In case you want to stop it, you just have to press the command stop, I guess. Nope. Oh, it played. I need to type stop. Yeah. So you have to learn the commands, and with time you will learn. Okay, so that's how the bot work. And in case you don't want to listen the music, you just mute it or deafen yourself, or if you want to leave the channel, you click here, disconnect. Okay, and in case you want to stream, you click here, share your screen, and then you can share anything. Then they will be able to see your live stream. Okay, so that's the function of the voice channel. That's the most complicated thing on the Discord, and to leave it you have to click disconnect. So that was about the voice channel, and yeah, that was the overview of the Discord. Hope you enjoyed. I tried to finish it in a short video. Thank you very much.